Hi, I'm Elle. So far in this series, we've been talking about using continuous integration tools like GitHub Actions to automatically train machine learning models whenever your data set or your code changes. Now, you can actually get a lot of the power that we've talked about if you only test your models automatically. What I mean is you can still develop your model locally, maybe using kind of an interactive console or Jupyter Notebook or your favorite experiment tracker, whatever. And then simply check in your favorite model into a GitHub repository at the end of the day and run a suite of automated tests on that. And that still gives you a lot of the value. So what we're going to cover today is how to create your very first automated check. Basically, does my model run somewhere that's not my local computer? And the value of doing this is that testing your model locally isn't really enough. It's not rigorous enough. You often don't know completely what's on your machine, so you want to create kind of like an airtight scientific check where you really know what was the environment, what was the hardware, what was the operating system, what was the code, everything that went into your test, and then make that available in the historical record of your project for everyone on your team. And doing this can really help speed up development cycles in the long run. It's a really cool practice. So let's jump into making your very first automated machine learning model test. All right, let's take a look around our project repository. We've got a training script, which is going to build a model. I'm generating some synthetic data, establishing a linear regression model, and I'm going to save the model by pickling it. Then I've written one kind of test. The test is very bare bones. All it does is load the model, generate some synthetic data, and do inference on the model. We're not assessing any statistics whatsoever about the result. We just want to know, does this complete? And ideally, we would like to be able to test that whenever a change happens to our code about the model. And so I've created a GitHub action to do that. So GitHub actions are a way to automate workflows that you create. So this is a GitHub action config file. It's saying that whenever a push to the repository is detected, GitHub is going to spin up a machine, a runner, that will have the Ubuntu operating system. It's going to pull a Docker container that I've specified. This is my Docker container from the CML project, but you can use your own. And then it's going to run this workflow. It's going to install our requirements, and then it's going to run python test.py. So the test is essentially, can I operate, can I do this command right here? And that's kind of it. So if I